Hi, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be starting some seeds. At least I hope I can get this done today. My baby's napping, so we're gonna try and work on this as fast as possible. But really quickly, I just wanna show you what I'm going to be starting. Everything I'm starting today is anything that says on the packet 10 to 12 weeks out. Those are the ones I'm gonna be starting. So I'm gonna be like starting peppers and some onions probably. I know onions, I'm a gardening zone 9 and onions could technically probably go out now. But I am gonna start them indoors and hopefully in about a month I can put them out. So they should be fine. But I just really wanna quickly show you what I'm gonna be starting today in seed trays, and I'm gonna be growing under a grow light in my garage. And then in like 2-ish weeks, maybe 2.5 weeks, I'll start like all my tomatoes. And I don't want to start those things too early because we are still in January, but I am in a I can start things pretty early in my growing zone. And you want to, because summer hits really fast and hard around here, and it just gets hot really fast to where it's too hot for plants around here in midsummer. So I try to take advantage of that early spring. Okay, so I am going to be starting some onion seeds. I don't know if I'm gonna be doing all these, but I am going to be doing, I have some leeks, which are in the allium family. These are autumn giant leeks, and I've grown leeks, but I wasn't very successful on them, so I do want to try to plant a lot of leeks this time. I have 3 different kinds of onions here. I might just be doing a little bit of each. I already have some onions in the garden right now, but not a ton, and I want some more. So yeah, I'll be doing all 3 of these probably. We have a Texas Early Giant. I don't know how to say that. I don't want to butcher it. I believe it's a purple onion though. I'll put it on the screen because it's probably backwards to you guys. And then a yellow Granix onion. Yeah, so I'm excited for some more onions. I am gonna be starting some cabbages, probably not a ton again, but I'm trying to take advantage of kind of the cooler weather, and hopefully I can get these out in the garden like ASAP, because they can take a little while. And so I'll be doing 2 different kinds of cabbage. I'm gonna be doing this fairy round Dutch cabbage, and then also this Copenhagen market, which I have done these before, and I got, my biggest one was like an 8.5 pound head of cabbage. First time ever growing it, and it was amazing. It was awesome. I actually never got to eat it though, because I was extremely sick when I was pregnant, and it sounded disgusting to me for some reason, cabbage did. So my mom ended up taking them and eating them. So at least it got used. I am going to try, we'll see if this works. The last time I grew cauliflower, it grew over the winter, and that seemed to work well in my climate. We are kind of having a colder winter this year, so we'll see. But I want to try to get cauliflower in the ground. I've done it before and they turn out absolutely beautiful. We'll see if I have the same luck. But so this is the Durgis 41, and I had really good luck with this last time, so we're gonna try it. And then I do have an artichoke plant out there that's still beautiful as ever, but I want to get more artichokes in the ground because I want to try to preserve some if I can. And yeah, so I'm doing these 2 different, well, I think they're the same. Green Globe, and then this one has the purple Romagna in it, and this is just the Green Globe. So I'll be starting both of those. Again, everything I'm starting says 10 to 12 weeks out at least, and we are about 10 weeks out from my last frost date, so I'm trying to get this going so I can get these things in the ground as soon as possible. We are gonna be doing jalapenos. I want to make lots more cowboy candy. I'm getting low. And the last time I made it, I had to add in store-bought peppers, so that's a bummer. I am gonna be doing banana peppers again. I would like to make actual like brined banana peppers, canning them, so we'll be doing that. We'll see if I grow these. I probably will. I won't do very many though, because I did too many last year, but I have these Fresno chili peppers. I have my pepperoncinis that I'll be growing. And then some fun ones that I got recently, which I might pick up more, but we'll see. I'm gonna be doing the habanada pepper. I've been really wanting to try these. These ones, none of these ones I've tried before. I'm gonna be doing the Tabasco pepper. I wanna make some hot sauces this year. I will be doing the jalapenos. It's like a jalapeno, but the non-hot version. And then I'm so excited to try this, guys. I've never tried this one, but I really want to try the Sugar Rush Peach. And I got some seeds for it. So I'm going to be trying that this year. Those are all the peppers I'm starting right now, at least. I might get more, maybe if I go to the garden store, but so that's everything I'm starting today, just kind of smaller. We are in the middle of really getting my other garden space ready, and hopefully it will be done by next weekend, and then we'll do a garden tour, but don't hold your breath on that. So I'll bring out a video on that when it's all said and done, and then hopefully really soon we can be planting things in the garden together. So I'm really excited for garden season this year, and let's go out in the garage and plant some seeds. So here I am just organizing my seeds, and I try to reuse my little plant tags that I label what they are. And so here I'm just organizing the ones that I had to use from previous years, so I'm not wasting them. And then I had to just make a few more. Okay, so I did get all those seeds planted and watered them in, and I'm really, really excited for garden season, like really excited for garden season this year, because it's gonna be my first year planting in my new space, and I have a lot more space, so that's really fun, but also because I don't feel like I got to do a garden last year. So I hope you guys are excited for gardening season this year, and I can't wait to just bring you guys along. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.